Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to write a professional resume letter in Microsoft Word 2026. So whether you are applying for your first job or updating your career documents, this method will help you create a clean and impressive resume letter fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Microsoft application on your PC or on your laptop. So once you do this, you just have to first of all click on the option of new in the left hand side. After that, on the top, you will see the option of blank document. So instead of creating a resume template from scratch, what I would recommend you doing is to simply use the search bar over here, then simply type resume and then hit enter. Now once you do that, you are going to see bunch of different templates which you can basically customize and add your own details into it absolutely for free. So among these templates, you can just simply use any one of these. So let's say I'm interested in this particular template, so I'm going to be clicking on it, then click on the option of create. Now once you do this, you will see that the template is now opened in your Word document editor. So over here, first of all, you need to cross it from the top. Now you can just simply start editing this particular template. First of all, you just have to provide your full name over here on the top. After that, you just have to decide or provide your profession. So whether you are a graphic designer, video editor, you can just provide it over here. Then in the objective, you can just seek help from ChatGPT and add the objective over here in 2 lines. After that, in the contact details, simply provide your contact related information. In education, simply provide your educational background. In the skills, simply just provide the corresponding skills that you have as per the designation that you have selected. Then provide your experience in the right hand side, and there you go, you have successfully created your resume, which that too is professional in Microsoft Word. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.